We are going to get flooded.
Okay. Yeah, we have a river in our backyard. Here's a river going down the side of our house. Holy cow, it just averted our house. Yeah, right between us and the river. Holy crap.
Okay, this is not good. It's coming here.
Oh my god. Yep.